Being a human, we crave for emotions. And in fact, we are willing to do whatever it takes to feel those good emotions. In fact, we pay for emotions. Isn't it true with movies? You go and sit in a movie theater, watching someone else's life to feel that rush of emotions within you. True? We sit at home with a remote in our hand, changing movies, watching in Netflix, watching Amazon Prime, to feel that rush of emotions in us. And we enjoy that feeling. True? And being a human, it's a fact. We crave for emotions. We are emotional beings. No one can deny this fact. But when it comes to presentations and speaking, we forget this. When we go on the stage, we forget that we are addressing humans. Humans like you and me who crave for emotions. And we just end up giving technical presentations, using a PPT, changing slides, talking lots of logic, lots of reasoning. You can see people yawning there, you can see people using their phone there, and you feel disheartened knowing them. But somehow these guys are not listening to me. You blame the audience. It's not their mistake. The mistake is yours. You are not understanding their emotional beings like you. And to connect to them, to engage them, what you have to do is just appeal to their emotions. These are the people who pay money to feel emotional. And it's a great opportunity you have on the stage to evoke some emotions in them. Emotion of happiness, emotion of empathy, emotion that I know your pain, that empathy, I can empathize with you. Emotion of laughter. You can create a lot of emotions in them with your speech. And a great speaker knows this. And a great speaker uses his time on the stage to evoke those emotions in them, to create that rush of dopamine in them. And that makes audience feel really good. Yes, it's like a free entertainment. They have not paid for it, and they never expected that it will be so entertaining. They enjoy your speech. So you need to know this art of adding emotion, making your speech engaging with emotions, with empathy, with humor, with love. That is very important. And one of those tools to evoke emotions in people is storytelling. Beautiful tool which is being used from ages. If you see our old scriptures like Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, all these scriptures, in fact Bible, Quran, these scriptures, a lot of stories are there in the scriptures, because stories evoke emotion in us and we remember stories better than anything else. Getting the point? So please understand this. You're speaking to humans. They're like you. They're emotional beings. Don't make your speech boring with just logic. Logic doesn't appeal to the audience unless there's an emotion involved in it. So use stories. Learn to engage audience with empathy. And then you will see audience will love to listen to you. They will pay more attention. And you will be able to engage your audience in a better way always. I hope this tip helps you. So please don't forget you're speaking to humans, not to machines. So use emotions in your conversations. Saurabh Chare here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.